Hello everyone and welcome to Career Swami YouTube channel. Career Swami is all about shaping your bright future. We at Career Swami create content related to career and education. So stay ahead in your career race by hitting the subscribe button. By doing so you will not miss any career updates from us. Now let's get into the video. Today we have brought a video related to digital marketing. If you don't know anything about digital marketing, what is digital marketing and why digital marketing is important, then don't worry, you are at the right place. In this video, we are going to cover 5 elements like why digital marketing is important, what is digital marketing, and what are the types of digital marketing, future of digital marketing, and its conclusion. In this video, we will give you insights on digital marketing, and in the upcoming days, we will make videos on its courses, fees, career opportunities, and many other relevant details. So for getting these details, you will have to hit the subscribe button. Okay, now let's get into the video. Number one, let's start with why digital marketing. Why digital marketing is important. So, today many businesses want to come online. This pandemic has boosted the number of internet users. The right answer is simple. As we get all our answers at just one click on the internet, many businesses even today don't know how to make their businesses online, and for this purpose they want a digital marketer. This is one of the main reasons. Even if you don't know what to do and how to do as a digital marketing career, don't worry, you really don't need to worry about this. So this career is in demand and it's really very affordable. Now the most important question, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a marketing component which is based on digital platforms and digital technologies. In simple terms, digital marketing is a connections business that connects you with your potential targeted audience digitally. So digital marketing is also known as online marketing or internet marketing, but the popular term is digital marketing itself. Now when we say it's a connection business, there a question arises, in which way it's a connection business. So you will find the answer to this question in the types of digital marketing. Now let's take a look on that. Types of digital marketing, or also called it as a specializations. So digital marketing is broadly divided into 7 categories: search engine optimization, SEO; search engine marketing, SEM; email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, pay per click marketing, and affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about each of these elements in brief. At first it comes search engine optimization, that is SEO. The most important question, what is it? Over here, one thing you will have to understand, that when you go on a search engine result page, SERP, there you see a search box, and that's nothing else but a search engine page. When you type your query, and as you type it, the search engine shows you the relevant results. And what happens, the top result which you see on the top of this page is nothing but a search engine optimization. So search engine optimization is a process where the websites are ranked organically. By organically, I mean by freely, by not paying any sum of money to the advertiser or anyone. So the components which are used for organically ranking of websites are few, are the right sets of keywords, like, and then comes the quality backlinks, and also few like the age rank factor and many other relevant factors. Then next is search engine marketing. Now when it comes to search engine marketing, it's a little bit different from search engine optimization. This is an inorganic way, which means paid way, to rank the website on the top of the search engine result page. Here the advertiser has to pay to the search engine, like for instance let's say Google, to run the ads and rank the website on the top of the search engine page. Then next comes the email marketing. Now these days email marketing is on the peak. Have you ever received any customized email which specially contains your name on the top of the email? Yes, you might have received. And what's that? It's nothing but digital marketing, and in digital marketing, it's a type of email marketing. So, every day in large companies, emails are sent in bulk, and for even sending this email, people want to hire like email marketers. So what task email marketer do is that he or she just manages the emails, like right from writing the content in the email and how to present the email. It's all that comes under the email marketing. Now, moving towards the next type, which is content marketing. Now, this is the most popular term these days on the internet, and internet is full of content. Like you see content in form of blogs, vlogs, video, infographics, and many types. You are watching this video. What is it? It is a content. So basically content is something that provides you a sort of information about a particular topic. Now this is something very special branch and very popular branch in digital marketing. Then number 5 is social media marketing. Now this is something that each of us know, but what happens is that you don't know exact about it. So you see ads running on various social media platforms, right? Then what is that? This is something comes under social media marketing. Now over here again, there are both ways to rank the social media, like organic as well as inorganic. In organic, you rank your pages like freely, like no cost to you, and in inorganic way you have to pay a third party to do so, to rank your page. Then it comes the pay per click marketing. Now, here coming back to the advertisements, you see advertisements online, right? When you click on the advertiser has to pay for that one click to Google or any of the third party, and this is what the pay per click marketing is all about. And then, last but not least, comes the affiliate marketing, a way to generate a little bit of passive income. In simple terms, affiliates are links of certain products. When you click on those, it doesn't cost you, but the person who is sharing with you gets extra commission. You would have heard many of the YouTubers saying that the link of this XYZ product or the so and so product is in our description box. Then what is that? Nothing but it's affiliate marketing. So these were the 7 types of digital marketing which we discussed in a brief way. Now coming to the next point, future of digital marketing. Now you would say this, it's okay, you told about the importance of digital marketing and what is it and its type, but what about the future? Then I would say over here the future is really bright, and yes, it's a boosting field. Many people really want to come in this, or many people really want to hire who can work from for them in this field. And they are like, digital marketing really isn't that much easy. It requires really technical skills and soft skills. So but it's really very interesting, and if you did a master in any of the following topics, you have a greater scope to excel in your area. Now coming to the conclusion, so digital marketing is a vast field, and you really need a proper knowledge about this. And don't worry if you don't have any knowledge from where to do the digital marketing and what's the fee of digital marketing and how to find a good course or a good college. Don't worry, if you want us to make a video for you people, we will just make a good video. Only tell us in the comment section what you want exactly, what else you want to know more about digital marketing. We will make a detailed video for you people. So here's the end of the video, but it's really not the end. You know what you have to do. You just have to hit the subscribe button so you will not miss any of our further update, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.